Hi there. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to sync Obsidian with Google Drive. Let's get started. So once you reach the Google Play Store, you're going to go to the search bar and you're going to type in autosync. So we're going to use this one, for example, autosync for Google Drive. So we're going to select it and then we're going to press on install and then wait a bit. So then once it has finished installing, we're going to press open. So now it says keep your data in sync. So now we have two options. Connect to Google Drive or choose what to sync. So we're going to select connect to Google Drive. Now it says autosync wants access to Google accounts. So we're going to press on continue. So now it says Google Drive connected. So now the option at the bottom is available for us to select, which says choose what to sync. So we're going to press on that. Now it says you need to tell the app what to sync by setting up at least one folder pair, one folder in your device. So then you can just click on create test folder pair. Then you're going to press on OK. If this video helped you out, then please leave a like and consider subscribing. It's free and it helps the channel to make more videos like this. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.